Motorcycle ice racing is coming to the Pelham Civic Complex and Ice Arena on Saturday, March 4. Come out and see elite riders from all over the world and local riders too as they compete in Xtreme International Ice Racing. This will be a nail-biting, fun-filled event for the whole family. Kids tickets start at just $10. Get more details at pelhamciviccomplex.com. Tickets are available at our box office now or online at ticketmaster.com. Don't miss a minute of the action as motorcycle ice racing comes to Pelham on Saturday, March 4. See you there.